Book of Heaven, Volume 12, December 15th, 1919. The Divine Will, Fount of Good and of Sanctity. I was saying to my always lovable Jesus, since you don't want to tell me anything, tell me at least that you forgive me if I have offended you in anything. And he immediately answered,
What do you want me to forgive you for? One who does my will and lives in it has lost the fount, the seed, the origin of evil, because my will contains the fount of sanctity, the seed of all goods, the eternal origin, immutable and inviolable. So one who lives in this fount is holy, and evil has no more contact with her. And if evil seems to appear in anything, the origin, the seed, is holy. Evil does not take root. And this happens also in me. When my justice forces me to strike the creatures, in appearance it seems that I do evil to them, making them suffer, and how many things they tell me, to the point of saying that I am unjust. But this cannot be, because the origin, the seed of evil, is not in me. On the contrary, in that pain that I send, there is in me a more tender and more intense love. Only the human will is fount which contains the seed of all evils. And if it seems to do some good, that good is infected, and whoever touches that good will remain infected and poisoned.
Then I continued my course, that is, substituting for all, as Jesus has taught me and as mentioned somewhere else in my writings. And while I was doing this, he told me,
My daughter, as you keep repeating what I have taught you, I feel wounded by my own love. When I taught you this, I wounded you with my eternal love. When you repeat it for me, you wound me. And by even just remembering my words and teachings, it is wounds that you send me. If you love me, wound me always.
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the Divine Will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the Divine Will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the Divine Will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the Divine Will, always.